Rough cuts are essential for an editor who wants to quickly assemble and export the best shots for a draft script in a simple timeline, and then have their producers review it for feedback. In this video, you will learn how to one-click export rough cuts using Premiere Pro presets in the Zoom plugin, and then how to add them to a collection for review by the business owners. Let's consider an example. Sandy is working on a concept for us episode 2 of the Destination 2021 video for a travel agency client. She's added several low-res clips to her Premiere Pro sequence to create the concept video. She doesn't want to waste time downloading the high-res until her producer approves the clips. Sandy gets to work exporting the draft timeline of low-res clips. From the Zoom panel, she checks all of the clips she has linked to. The links panel confirms all of the video clips are low-res proxies. Next, she clicks on the Exports tab. From the Exporting drop-down, she selects the Premiere sequence she wants to send to her producer. She keeps the full-length duration because she wants to export the entire sequence, not just a subclip between the in and out markers on the Premiere timeline. From the Resolution drop-down, she selects the Vimeo 1080p Adobe Media Encoder custom preset. Sandy will use this low bitrate preset to export the draft video from her rough cut for review. She confirms that the Sync After Export option is selected because it will automatically sync her video with the Zoom collection she's already shared with her producer. The Export plugin automatically selects a default output folder for her exports. Sandy can check the plugin preferences from the hamburger menu for the default settings, including the export folder. She clicks on the Export button to kick off a job in Adobe Media Encoder. Sandy notices that the Zoom plugin has automatically set up the custom export preset and started the encoder job. The plugin updates her on the export progress, and once it gets to 100%, it automatically syncs the exported video as a new revision. Sandy can then easily add the exported video to a collection. Selecting the Shared Destination 2021 collection, Sandy clicks Add to Collection and the producer can now review it. Sandy's all set, and what's better, any comments from her producer will flow directly into a Zoom panel as an alert.